okay men and okay women, because a lot of people watch this video regardless of your gender, and this will help you anyway. And these titles are framed to get your attention, and I'm glad it got your attention because this is really going to help you with your marriage. And this is the one little habit that men have discovered from me that has really helped their marriage be amazing. And it really is simple. So let's go back to one important fact. And that important fact is that you got married in order to be happy. Being with your soulmate, you expected to be happy. You expected to feel love and feel loved. You expected to have a certain amount of sex. You expected to live a good life. You expected to raise your children well, and on and on and on. So what's the one thing? You notice I kept using the word expect. Here's what it is, the one thing. Don't expect anything. Instead, lift yourself to a place of loving all the time. All the time. Make it a mantra. Have you ever heard that word before? A mantra is something you repeat over and over and over. It's a spiritual thing. Let your mantra be something along the lines of, I love my wife. I love my wife. And when a negative thing comes up in your head about her, and it will, and this is the same truth for women, these negative things will come up. You have control over your mind. You say, get out of here. I love my wife. I love my husband. You don't have to buy into the garbage. You don't. You know, the human mind is an amazing machine, but it has a little problem in that it's not good at discrimination because its whole thing is to protect you from dying. You know, the drive to survive, self-preservation. I mean, I know people who go to the point of where, you know, a beautiful park, beautiful green grass, and way off in the corner, a dog left his business, and they go right to that. And instead of going, wow, what a beautiful lawn, they go, oh my God, look at what somebody didn't clean up after their dog. And our mind does that with our spouse too. It looks for the crap. And what we need to do is take charge over our mind and love. And when you love, naturally what will happen are these beautiful little nuances of life that show themselves in the most endearing ways. And that's it, because you got it. But first, subscribe to the channel. I'm watching you. Subscribe to the channel. Like the video. Share it on Facebook or whatever you go to, X or whatever. Leave a comment, maybe later. And now, here's a little sales pitch. I've written a couple of books. They're both great. Lessons for a Happy Marriage and Breaking the Cycle. You could either go to Amazon to buy them, or you could go to our website, themarriagefoundation.org. We also have things for marriages that are like really in trouble. Online courses, one for men, one for women. We also have an online course for finding your soulmate. I don't think you need that. And we also have, it's a dating course. And we also have another one for people who are about to get married, and you might be one of those. Everything is a very positive approach to marriage because we're a very positive organization. We're here to serve you. Again, I'm Paul Friedman, founder of the Marriage Foundation. God bless you and take care.